Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Start by confirming you have the modern Snip and Sketch or updated snipping tool. This matters because older builds lack autosave hooks. Next, decide where captures will go: OneDrive for cloud sync or a local folder for fast access. Once decided, open the app now and sign into OneDrive if chosen. Make sure File Explorer path is ready. These steps set the permission and destination preconditions so the next actions actually create autosaved files. Now configure the save behavior. Open OneDrive settings and enable screenshots backup so every snip saves to OneDrive's pictures /screenshots automatically. If you prefer local saving, create a dedicated folder such as /snips and right-click to confirm write permissions for your user account. Redirect the Snip and Sketch save path if needed. Once done, set or memorize the capture hotkey, Win+Shift+S, and test a snip. This ensures captures are routed and saved where you configured them. Finish by doing 3 full tests. Take a snip, then check the target folder or OneDrive pictures /screenshots for saved files. If everything appears, you're done. If captures are missing, make sure OneDrive is running and synced, or verify the local folder has correct NTFS permissions. As a troubleshooting tip, restart the Snip and Sketch app and sign out /in to OneDrive to refresh tokens. This often fixes permission or sync glitches and restores automatic saving immediately.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.